Water feels like concrete when a person hits it at high speeds, such as when falling from a significant height. This is due to a concept called surface tension and impact force. Let's dive into the explanation. Surface tension. Water molecules have cohesive forces that cause them to stick together, creating a skin on the surface of the water, known as surface tension. At lower speeds, the water surface breaks more easily, allowing a person to enter the water smoothly. At higher speeds, the surface tension becomes harder to break. The molecules resist sudden impact, making the water feel more solid and less like a fluid. Impact force. When someone falls into water from a great height, like diving from a cliff or being ejected from an aircraft, the body hits the surface with high kinetic energy. The faster the fall, the greater the force of impact. This force can be so strong that it mimics the experience of hitting a solid object. The body cannot penetrate the water fast enough to break its surface tension, which results in injuries or even death, similar to hitting concrete. Factors: height and speed. The higher the fall, the faster the person moves, increasing the impact force and the likelihood of water feeling solid. Body position. The way a person hits the water also matters. If the impact is spread over a larger area, like landing flat, the force is more distributed, making it feel harder. A more streamlined entry reduces the effect. This phenomenon is why trained divers and stunt performers focus on specific body positioning to minimize the impact when diving from great heights.